Do you know many people are having trouble with a flashing fuse on their Irritrol RD600-EXT-R controller? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Disconnect power. Disconnect power to the controller to ensure safety during the fixing process. Step 2. Identify problem cause. Locate and eliminate the cause of the problem that led to the fuse flashing on channel 1. Step 3. Remove safety fuse. Carefully remove the 2.0 safety fuse from the terminal board of the controller. Step 4. Install new fuse. Install a new 2.0 slow blow fuse in place of the removed fuse, ensuring it is properly seated. Step 5. Reconnect power. After replacing the fuse, reconnect power to the controller. Step 6. Address issue. Take corrective action to address the underlying issue that caused the fuse to flash on channel 1. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the flashing fuse issue on channel 1 of your controller. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Irritrol users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.